completely factory reset your Garmin Instinct watch, press and hold the menu button and then go down to Settings and then go down to System and finally go down to Reset. From here you can just reset default settings or delete data and reset settings. Basically, that's what you want to do before you resell your watch to someone else, or if you just have big trouble with your watch and want to try to reset it, to fully reset it and maybe overcome the trouble. So this clear all settings and data such as activities. So you press down to continue and then you go to yes. And this will take about 3 minutes to complete, and after that it will reboot just as the first time at the language setting page. So I will fast forward this. And there we are, the language page. So yeah, choose your language and that's like a brand new watch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.